On the mountain, where are you? I feel lost in the darkness. The words they used to block us only make me wiser. That true love cannot be treated like a game. Even if they build walls, even if they block the path, I won't let our peace of mind run away. They can hide the name, they can cover the tracks, but it's you that my soul is searching for. Listen to these thoughts I've written on paper. My love for you is stronger than any barrier. No one can destroy it, no one can end it. Why would I give up? Because I love you with all my heart. Paint a picture like I'm not the one for you, but they don't see the silent battles that we're walking through. It's more than just a feeling, it's a promise, it's a vow. If the world is getting louder, I'll just whisper to you now. Every note they scream is just a reason to stay strong. In this maze of broken whispers, you're the place where I belong. Khraw. Yeah, they think they wanna fight, but they can't cage the sun or put a ceiling on the light. I'm tracing every memory, I'm holding on to hope. While they're busy tying knots, I'm busy climbing up the rope. No distance is too far, no silence is too deep. This is a mountain that I'm ready, willing, bound to keep. So let the shadows grow, let the winters get cold. Our story isn't finished, it's just waiting to be told. They can take away the vision, they can try to hide the view, but they can take the heart that's beating only just for you.
Ieid Kumno pilonga qua banti Shano pidon ngawad nga qua banti